Hello, today we are going to learn how to combine like terms. Our objective is simply that we'll be able to combine like terms. Makes sense, right? Okay, so like terms are terms that have the same variable to the same power. The coefficients do not need to match. The easiest way to do this is to look at examples. 2x and 6x, they are like terms. 2x and 6x, when we combine them, we have 8 x's. I think of this like a net. We collect up all the things that we can that fit into the same net that won't fall through. So all of the x terms you can add together because the coefficients do not have to be the same. Let's do a little bit more complicated of an example here. We have 7y minus 5x plus 4 plus 3x. So let's see. Do we have any other y's besides this guy? We do not. So we have 7y. We have to keep that. We can't combine that with anything. Nothing else fits into the net. Now we want to look at the x's. We have minus 5x's plus 3x's. So minus 5 plus 3. We're left with minus 2x. And sometimes when I do this, I cross off the stuff I've already used as I go. And now all we have left is the plus 4. And all of our like terms are now combined. This is as condensed as our expression can be. Now let's move over here. And I'm going to finish off writing this example because I wanted to make it a little more difficult here. So we're actually going to make this guy 5x squared plus 3x. We'll do minus 7 2x minus x squared. Okay. Pretty complicated looking. Let's just start off with all of our x squared. So this is not the same as this because this is raised to the power of 2 and this is not. We cannot mash them together. They don't fit in the same net, so to speak. So we have, for our x squareds, we have 5x squared minus x squared. There's no coefficient that we see, so we know that that is like a 1. It's an invisible 1. We've got 5 minus 1. We have 4x squareds, and those guys are gone. Now let's move on to our x's. We have plus 3x plus 2x. 5 x's. And then last but not least, minus 7. And again, that is as simple as we can get because we cannot mash any of this together. Ooh. Right, and that is it for combining like terms.